In this video, we are showing you 7 impressive bachata turns that will make sure that you stand out at your next social party. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I'll hit the road in overdrive, baby. This city's cold and empty. No one's around to touch me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm just calling back to let you know you never said it on the phone. Never let you go this time. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch.
If you're liking the video so far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it now. Do it now because you're gonna forget later. And also, thank you so much for everybody that has bought us a coffee, given us a super thanks, or has become a Patreon. And if you wanna become a patron or support the channel, make sure to check the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your
like this video, make sure to give it a like and also comment down below which move was your favorite. Check out these other videos that we are sure you are going to love. See you there!